Send this video to anybody who wants to pay you through PayPal as a Ghanaian. This is how you can pay someone through PayPal. PayPal doesn't work in Ghana, but this is the easiest way you can pay your clients through PayPal with a PayPal service called Xoom. So on your PayPal dashboard, you click on send and request. You can send the money to friends abroad. That is an option. Or you go here, more, and send money. Then you choose Ghana through the drop down, or you just type in here Ghana and then click on next. This money will be received at a cash pickup point in Ghana. We are using Xoom, which is a PayPal service, to do this transaction. Click on select, and then PayPal would go through Xoom for you to send the money to your Ghanaian clients. You just type in the amount. Let's say you're paying $100. Then you click continue, then continue, and wherever, either from your bank account, a debit or a credit card. So let's say it's through a debit card, because you can only send money through Xoom with PayPal through these cards or a bank account linked to your PayPal account. So you click on continue and you go through all these options. So these are banks your clients can receive the monies from. Several banks here. All he or she would need is an ID card and a transaction ID. So you go to the payment options, generate the transaction ID and send to the person so that you can pick the money at any of these banks in Ghana. It's as simple as that. You review your transaction, and that is how you pay a Ghanaian through PayPal and Xoom, which is a PayPal service. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much.